In today's video, I'll show you how to install CodeWalker for GTA 5 Enhanced to view, edit, and install game files as an alternative to OpenIV. Check my video description for this download link. Scroll down, join Discord server, select the link. Once you open the Discord, just reload the page and accept as Discord. Once you are in the Discord server, navigate to releases. In latest CodeWalker, select the zip and select continue download. This is the latest version of CodeWalker. This supports GTA 5 Enhanced. Select the folder icon. Right click on the CodeWalker and select WinRAR and select Open with WinRAR. And go to Documents, drag and drop this CodeWalker in Documents. Open the CodeWalker folder and right click on this CodeWalker or PF Explorer and select show more options. Send it to desktop create shortcut. Now open the shortcut we create. Select the three dot icon, navigate to the game folder. Select the GTA 5 enhanced game folder and select folder option and select OK. Select OK. And RPF Explorer opens up. Now you can install mods. Whenever you want to open this RPF Explorer, open through using this desktop shortcut. Before doing anything, select edit mode and select yes option. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.